and it's just putting the chocks on. That's all we've got at the moment. We're working on getting some proper levels. Just so you know, we just snagged ourselves a really nice little campsite, which we'll show you later. Up under here is my new leveler. E-level, or E whatever it's called. I'll tell you in a minute. And in here, that's right, E-lam. It's an E-lam leveler. Now, as you can see here, we're not level, so I'm just going to drive it up. Alright, considering what we've got, what we're working with is just a couple of timbers, that's good enough for me. I reckon that'll do her.
And we're up. What's wrong? Don't you like your shower tent?
No, it's shit.
It is a cheapie. It's a king's shower tent. Might be upgrading that, hey Gibbo?
We are.
You can stay here for 72 hours. And he's us. And that's it. So this is our first proper setup camping in our rooftop tent. Right next to a vineyard. Now there are toilets here, and there is a donation area where people can leave food and items for others that need them.
What do you think, Anya?
Love it.
It's not a bad little spot, is it?
Right.
There's a few other campers here. Love being up high in the rooftop, hey? Oh, this is so good.
I'm cozy. I've got my slippies on.
Ah, where are my slippies?
Salt and pepper squid.
Oh
Jealous?
my God, look at that, and look at that, oh my God. You gotta check this out. Hi Anya.
Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm video editing. Want to have a look?
No, you're not. You're kidding me.
There's heaps of room up here, ain't
Oh, what a setup. Oh, look at this. Doing our episodes. External drives. Plugged into lithium battery. And the light just runs off the power, a little small power bank. How spoiled are you, Anya?
I love it. Check this out.
Once a black person, one
Movie time.
Oh. Yeah, so I've got the fridge plugged into our external, so that keeps that done, and then we've got the other two batteries now free for your boiling the kettles with the, what's it called?
The induction.
Induction.
Yeah.
On the induction cooker and stuff.
Yeah.
So we've got plenty of power.
We're set up on site 8 and it's $5 per night. How interesting is it looking at everyone's different setups, from tents to caravans to swags.
All right, what are we doing, Anya?
We're off for a really big walk to a winery.
Huge walk.
So time to stretch the legs.
It is time to stretch the legs, that's for bloody sure. Been lazy on this one, haven't we? Well, that was a huge walk. I'm absolutely exhausted. So this is just a cellar door. We have no idea. They've got wine and cheese tasting, etc. But we'll see what it's like. Going to have a quick gander. But just up there is the other winery slash brewery. So we'll give that a crack as well. And then up around the corner here is the pub. So
Happy days.
yeah,
Wineries, pubs.
all within a very short walking distance. A little bit miserable today,
It's actually nice though.
but it's beautiful, isn't it? It's warm. Like, it's miserable and off and on rainy,
Yeah.
but who cares?
I'm actually hot in this jacket. I don't even know what I got done.
Yep. A bad day camping's always better than a good day working, that's for sure. Oi! Oh, you didn't run me over, buddy.
How you going?
Hey, good looking.
Hey, how are you?
going?
Doing your tours?
Oh, just running around
Yeah.
as usual.
Good to see you.
Yeah, good to see
Hello, look. Will you be happy?
To find out the hours of the place, so. Sweet. Whoa.
What a nice little spot.
It's excellent, isn't it? Oh, look, the rooftop over here. So we'll go through,
Yeah.
suss it out, and make sure we come back out and check the rooftop out.
It's good having games around.
Yeah. All this is trying to drop the
Yeah.
balls in it, anyhow. I'll have a quick crack.
Get it in the hole, Gibbo.
How far back do you think?
No idea. You can make your own rules up.
Oh, these.
Yeah, it's the happy sack thingies, aren't they?
Yeah.
$2 if you get one in. Oh, geez, that was close right off the cuff, wasn't it? Good aiming.
1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5. You gotta beat that. Righto. Oh, got me. Oh, that's good. Was that it? 5 to 1. Oh, so Anya, who won?
Gibbo as usual. Always Gibbo.
Oh, it's be beautiful up here on the right day, wouldn't it? I think we're in through here. Let's have a look. Is that us?
Looking for a pizza. Delicious.
Over there.
Ready for
we
all occasions.
helped fight that fire for her. Bradley was over there with our fire truck.
Oh, this is beautiful. Pretty unique. Made out of crates. It's a great idea. Well, that was excellent. We'll be back for some wine, but we're going to head off now and check out our next destination, aren't we, babe?
Another winery.
And here we are. What do you reckon, Anya? Here, another huge walk.
Langhorne Creek is believed to be the only grape growing area in the world where natural and induced flooding is used for irrigation from the Bremer River. Never knew that. So a little bit of the flooding goes into the town and blocks the main street for a day or two. Can you believe that? But the locals are pretty happy about it because they know the good it does for the town. That's amazing. What an interesting fact.
See you, mate.
We're just talking about Valhalla. Beautiful place.
Magnificent.
Great grandparents buried there.
Oh, you kidding? That's our latest episode.
Yeah, what are you
And
saying?
I'll tell you what, it is.
Isn't it, how good is it? It just like, it looks unspoiled.
Feels like you're in Canada or somewhere. All the best, guys. Good on you. How good is that? Just running into some beautiful people, checking out our channel on Walhalla. Just telling us how much they love it as well.
We were amazed that we took silver, Seven
Wow.
took gold. We've been a cellar door for 2 years. So the award was for best cellar door experience.
What a great
customer
achievement.
service. But of course, off the back of that, you're encouraged to go again. Visit. Interestingly, we had 2 site visits that year, one for ourselves and one for another company in the region. They do horse-drawn carriage trips through the vines and to the cellar doors. So carriage of occasion was also eligible. So Shay rang and said, I've got judges coming and I want them to do an experience in your cellar door. So we're on tenterhooks. We hosted her judges. They had a fabulous time. The next week we had our own. So we rocked up this time at the convention centre, full house. We're amazed. And we then took gold.
That is
insane.
That's an incredible story.
So for a 4-year-old cellar door, it was just something that we couldn't have even imagined.
Where are we going now?
We're going to check the pub out. Got myself a bottle of Chardonnay. Oh, look, and it comes with a free GoPro.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, I spoiler. Yeah, there is a lot of cars here, isn't there? So she's pretty popular still. Yeah. Look at that, you don't even realise. That looks like it's been closed in, doesn't it?
Yeah, just the blind.
Yeah. Yeah, what do you reckon? Pub looked alright, looked good.
Yeah.
Well, like a nice little dining room area and everything, and it looked like there would have been nice meals.
Yes.
But just a quick trip. We can't eat and drink everywhere, so another time maybe. What are you doing?
Just checking the scenery out. Can you get out of my view?
Oh, sorry. My bad.
What do you got? What have you done?
What? Oh,
It looks like you're loaded up.
hey. Hang on.
There's more?
Check this out.
Oh,
You ready?
God, you ready?
Hey.
Wow. Oh, God. So is that your umbrella pocket?
Well, what do? You got to. I don't want to carry that around all the time. You don't carry your own, so they fit in my pocket beautifully.
I wonder what you did with it.
That's why I didn't put it up. It doesn't matter. I put it in there. Okay, that's all you need to know. That's why I wear all these cargo pants, mate. You should see everything I got in them.
Turn around, you got a pocket on your bum as well,
That
or
one,
what? Yeah.
fridge, here, pantry, toilet.
Oh, God. Oh, God. I'm thinking Mary Poppins, I don't know.
I've been called that a few times.
Good morning, world.
Anyway,
Thanks for coming on a
We've
little
got
adventure.
all of our tents and sleeping bags, mattresses. What else have we got?
So one's a
clothes.
tent
Yeah.
and one's a sleeping bag.
Yeah.
Mattresses in here.
Oh right, yeah.
You notice the weight
Clothes?
distribution is out of whack.
and
Ali's
didn't
got
I
a
hear
tent.
something?
70-30.
You've got a tent on there.
exactly.
Didn't I hear something about a coffee machine?
Yeah,
Got
in
a
the back.
coffee machine, yeah. Coffee machine up the back.
Had it this morning.
You can't go without the
How far
coffee.
did you ride?
Yesterday's only 45.
But Ali rode from Adelaide, so Ali
Yeah.
did
Yep.
80.
80.
80, right,
Ks.
okay.
Yeah, and is riding back to Adelaide today. So we'll go to
Awesome.
Mount Barker.
Yeah.
We'll sit in the spa.
Oh,
And then
nice.
Ali will head off to Adelaide.
At least it's downhill this time.
Well, it's not. It's actually to get
Got
up to the
to.
hill is a lot
Still
more.
got to go to, yeah.
Really?
So, we,
oh,
so
yeah.
we'll climb about 900 metres to get back at Barks today.
Yeah, well that's
Right,
it, isn't it?
okay. Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, happy days. Good on you
Yeah,
guys.
thank
Happy
you.
adventures. So from Frank Potts Reserve in Langhorne Creek, just up the road, basically across from the Bridge Hotel pub, you've got your dump point, so nice and close.
Dump all your dumps.